Classes introduced by which words, right? Classes introduced by which words? This is very important. Which words? First one is what, whatever, whatever, when, what, whatever, when, whenever, where, wherever, whichever, who, whoever, whose, why. What, whatever, when, whenever, where, wherever, whichever, who, whoever, whom also olden days, whose, why. These are the which words which connect the clauses. These are the which words which connect the words. First one is that was how it happened. How is the connector? Write down. That was how it happened. Next, he told me how he did it. How he did it. ఎలా చేశాడో అతను నాకు చెప్పాడు. He told me how he did it. What caused him to resign is still a mystery. ఏ కారణం చేత రిజైన్ చేశాడనేది ఇప్పటికి కూడా రహస్యమే. What caused him to resign is still a mystery. What caused him to resign is still a mystery. What, here underline what. Then what he will do is another question. అతను ఏం చేస్తాడనేది మరొక క్వశ్చన్, మరొక ప్రశ్న. వాట్ he will do is another question. అతను ఏం చేస్తాడనేది మరొక ప్రశ్న. టెల్ మీ వాట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్. ఇది ఎందుకో నాకు చెప్పు. టెల్ మీ వాట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్. ఇది దేనికోసమో నాకు చెప్పు. టెల్ మీ వాట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్. టెల్ మీ వాట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్. She gave him what money she had. She gave him what money she had. ఆమె దగ్గర ఉన్న మనీ అంతా అతనికి ఇచ్చేసింది. She gave him what money she had. What money she had, underline it. I am not sure when he is going to come. అతను ఎప్పుడు వస్తాడో నాకు ఖచ్చితంగా తెలియదు. I am not sure when he is going to come. I don't know where his house is. Grammatical also it is very important. After the subject verb has come. Observe it. I don't know where his house is. Is the verb, house is the subject.